Setup. Place the game board in the middle of the table. Each player takes the set of pieces, matching their side of the game board. The players place their pieces in any order in the first 3 rows on their side of the board, with the text side facing them. After all of the pieces have been arranged, there should be 6 empty spaces. The players choose who will move first. Playing the game. On a player's turn, they will move one of their pieces forward, backward, left, or right. A piece cannot be moved onto a spaces where the player already has a piece. When a piece is moved onto a space occupied by an opponent's piece, a battle will occur. In a battle, you will compare the ranks of the 2 pieces to see which one wins the battle. In most cases, the lower rank piece will be removed from the board. If both pieces have the same rank, both pieces will be removed. If there is a third neutral player, the arbiter, they will compare the 2 pieces so neither player sees the other player's piece. Otherwise, the 2 players will reveal their pieces to one another so they can be compared. The ranking of the different pieces in the game are as follows. Highest rank first. 5-star general, 4-star general, 3-star general, 2-star general, 1-star general, colonel, lieutenant colonel, major, captain, first lieutenant, second lieutenant, sergeant, private. There are a couple exceptions to higher rank pieces beating lower rank pieces. The spy will beat any piece rank higher than a private. The private is the only piece that can beat the spy. The flag can be captured by any piece. The only piece a flag can capture is the other player's flag. End of game. A player can win game of the generals in a couple different ways. 1. One player captures the other player's flag. A player moves their flag to the other player's side of the board. A player must reach the other side of the board in a spot where the other player can capture it on their next turn. Third, one of the players forfeit. 4. Both players agree to a draw.